em sư, ni hao sen sen tai tai, wo to ming je se, Incha Cahyati. You can call me Incha, 38 years old before. I have 2 children. My experience in Indonesia 1 year from 2023 until 2024. My job is take care children, send and fetch to school, prepare uniform and food. I can do general housework, washing, cleaning, cooking, ironing, and go to market. I can cook Indonesian food, soto, pindang ikan, fried rice, and chicken soup. I want to work in overseas because I need money for my family and children study. Now I am in the living room. This is chair, television, telephone, table, vase and flower, water jet, and this is cup and saucer. Finish.